Hey guys, what's up? It's HeatherLeBas here and welcome back to my art channel. We just got back in our time machine and I'm going to be doing a haul for you guys. So I went to Hobby Lobby for the first time and I went a little crazy, okay? I bought a lot of stuff. I'm just feeling so inspired over here, looking like Elvira. Before I get into this video, if you hear noise, they're doing a whole bunch of construction. As much as I would love to go throw a boot at the tractor outside, that's not really going to stop them. So I got some canvases. I love this. This is 16 by 20 and the prices, I'm sorry, Michaels could never. Like, what the hell? This is like $7. Are you freaking kidding me? What's this? This one is 12 by 24 for $8. Oh my gosh. So I got two of them. So I got some palette knives and where's my, oh, it's over here. This stuff I love using for texturing on my canvases. I'll go show you one. This is a set of two. The reason why, which I talk about on my other channel, which you guys don't know about because it's a secret, I was having a really difficult time when it came to even creating art because I have this side to me that's very, positive, happy. Like, you look at my back wall, it's, very spiritual, happy, hippie, love and peace vibes. And then there's this other side to me that is very just dark. If you've been with me for a long time and you watch my older videos, you know that I had that side to me because I showed it through my sketchbooks. I didn't really feel like I could create art that truly represented what was going on inside my head. And I had to really accept the fact that there is this duality to my art, there's this duality to my personality, and I really have to embrace that. This one, I haven't actually used foily kind of stuff. I've used gold leaf before, but I haven't used this. So I've seen other people do it in their artwork and I was like, I need to try this out. So it is just color, what is it, foil flakes? Foil flake. So we're gonna give that a shot, see how it goes. And then I got these canvases, very nice. You guys know I love canvas boards so much because it makes it so easy to hang these. I love these so much. Put in a little frame, put on your wall, and it just looks amazing. I love it so much. I'm trying out this new brand, which I used for this. I'm pretty happy with it. I still need to put a little gloss on there, a very light gloss, not something super shiny. But this is actually my bag that I designed. I have these on a little store right now. Fourth Wall actually reached out to me a few months ago for a collaboration and I was really excited. So I've been experimenting with putting my artwork on t-shirts and all of this fun stuff. Oh my gosh, this is probably one of my favorites. It is everywhere. Oh, this is how this one looks. You guys know I'm a beige girl. What can I say? And it's not just because it's freaking trendy. I don't care. Freaking my casket will be beige. Or do I want to still be Body Worlds and just I don't know, the skeleton inside somebody's classroom? Who knows? We don't know. But I love beige so much. It's my favorite. I'm obsessed. I love this color too. This is a great purple. This is by Master's Touch. I got another beige because of course I did. This is warm gray. This ain't gray, honey. I'm sorry. It's very far from gray. I don't know why they named it that. It's almost as tall as me, but that doesn't really say much because I'm gnome size. So yeah. Only 20 bucks though. For this, I'm really impressed, guys. I already started painting on these. Have you guys seen that movie Soul? It's a Pixar movie. I see this as looking like souls. I know I'm sounding like I'm recounting a freaking psychedelic trip over here. Just let my brain have fun, okay? And I'm gonna have 4 of them. These frames. So this one is going to be really great for helping me photograph the artwork that I do. It's a really nice frame. I really like this. This is a 4x6 and you guys know, of course, more beige, kind of a charcoal black color. Really love that. And then some more cute little ones. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, I'm going to show you other stuff that I got. So Drew ended up getting me some stuff. Made me feel very special. It's downtown Summerlin, Las Vegas. So he got me for one this little, oh my god, isn't this adorable? It's a little moon manifestation journal, which I'm just absolutely obsessed with. I think it's so cute. I'm very excited to use this. And then got me a candle. Oh, it smells so nice. And this is the little sun. It's my little sun candle. And this has been a freaking game changer for me. This is Dalmatian jasper, and the meaning that they give behind the stone is that it brings playfulness and joy and happiness back into your life. I have never been super sold on crystals, but can I just say, I've been creating up a storm, okay? I feel like I'm back in my playful, childlike energy. So, damn, man. Pretty happy about that. We actually just went back today and I got more stones. I'm very excited. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Little stones, and I'm really inspired. So what did I get? I got the amethyst. Did I really get an amethyst? I think she gave me the wrong one by accident. The emeralds, blue lace agate, and midnight goldstone. That's weird. I thought, whatever. Very nice, very nice. At Fremont Street, I went and got us both these little pins. So he got a different one. It said like duck you or something like that. This reminded him of me. Am I really like that?
Yeah.
This is me.
You don't take no shit from nobody.
It's a bunny with a razor blade. I don't know. Take that as you will. And then we got a little tarot one that has the sun on it. And I'm just like, this is like super cute. And then I have some stuff from Ross that we got for a little makeover. I'm totally feeling the Elvira vibes over here. Got some mascara. This was like also super cheap, guys. I'm so shook by the prices. This was like, how much was this? Like $2 or something? This is $3 for eyelashes. Normally these damn things are like $12, okay? So I was really happy. Great paintbrushes. Can't wait to destroy them because that's what I do to all my paintbrushes. And then I have stuff to do, you know, a throwback cat wing eyeliner. It's gonna be great. And then this, oh my gosh, very artistic. Yes, the inside is cracked, okay? I love something that's like roughed up. Actually not sarcasm, I really do. Like stuff that's been worn in, like has like a story behind it. Can you guys see yourself? It's like a portal. But I love the colors that are in here. And if you have brown eyes, maybe look into finding this palette because it makes them pop, okay? It makes them pop out. Greens and purples are perfect for your brown eyes. It's beautiful. Yeah, I almost forgot this, okay. Last but not least, I got an original art piece when we went to Fremont Street, and this inspired me so much. Drew was really like lighting a fire under my ass to start my Etsy shop and stuff like that. And when we went to Fremont Street, I saw this painting and I just like immediately fell in love with it. It's triggering so many creative ideas in my own mind. The artist's name is Eva Scosville. I think it's really great when you are an artist to support other artists as well. I think that's like a really great thing. I was like, I want to like put my own twist but make it small like this. It was cool, okay? It was a great experience. 10 out of 10, would recommend. And the gallery is justgallery.com. Anyways, amazing, like, amazing. Yeah, like I guess I'll spend like the last few minutes just kind of catching up with you guys if you're interested. I know like some of y'all have just checked off this channel and I totally get it because I know I changed my content up. But you have to understand, like I was saying at the beginning of this video, I wanted to create art, but I was just kind of at a gridlock. And I know I did experiment with posting more personal development type of content on this channel, but I know a lot of you guys were kind of like probably put off by that because that's not really what you subscribe to. You wanted to see art. That's why you clicked on this damn channel. You know what I'm saying? And so I totally get it. I totally understand you, but I kind of really had to find myself again as an artist. It just took some time for me. I literally want to light people on fire. Like they're so rude, so loud, and so obnoxious. Yeah, like as I was saying, I had to find myself again as an artist, but at the same time, I still really do have a passion for talking about personal development, really going through how to get over really difficult situations in your life. So I have been spending a lot of time investing in my education in that aspect. I received my certificate from Dr. Daniel Amen's program that talks about brain health, how to really embrace lifestyle habits to help your brain and help your body. And I also invested in a course by the Personal Development School that talks about attachment styles. I just started that course and I've been learning so much from it. So those are things that I'm going to be sharing on that channel. It's called lebossy. I know, it's great, you know. I wonder why it's called lebossy. Who knows? Has nothing to do with my personality at all, no. I'm basically going to be talking about how to boss up your life, how to feel yourself, especially when you've been pushed down multiple times, and get back up and give everybody the middle finger. Yeah, that's the vibe. That is the vibe. If you're interested, you can go subscribe to that channel. However, I will continue posting content and be a vampire on here because that is just what I want to be these days. I'm going to be a vampire, okay? Doing what I've wanted to do, but I don't know. Woo! I hope that you have enjoyed catching up with me and my little pumpkin spice handmade coffee. I'm thinking about doing a house tour pretty soon. You guys could see all the stuff that I dug out of the dumpster and made work in my house because I am resourceful. And then on my other channel, it will all be about personal development and growth. So if you're interested, go check that out. Lebossy is the name. And I love you guys. Thank you for sticking around for me through all these years. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.